give it up for Tony. Yes, give him a hand.
Hello, my name is Tony Soyata, and I'm going to present a good old-fashioned 2D brawler fighting game I'm working on part-time. This is my first Unity project. It's around 50% done, and I put a lot of effort into it, and I want to show you it in its current state. So the story of this game is you died and you got brought back to life. And this is a story I got from anime. It's called Isekai. Technology I use is Unity, and it's all 2D painted graphics, but it's in a 3D perspective. And for the animation, I'm using Spine, which you can, Rayman uses it. You can rig a 2D character with a skeleton and put weights on it and deform the mesh. So it's really useful for that. It's a really cool tool. So here's an example. I should just, sorry. So here's an example of working. So that goblin is one single image. I mean, it is split into parts, but you can animate it by rigging it to bones, and that's the main character there. And I just want to show you real quick. The screen's pretty small. Okay, so here's a character. You can see like they rigged. I have his neck rigged, his arms, and you can animate it. This is like this idle animation. Here's him laughing. So it's pretty cool what you can do. Like to make his eyes close, all you have to do is move points to cover his eyes, but it's the same picture. So that's Spine. Spine is made by Esoteric Software. It's made by esotericsoftware.com. Check it out. And so I use Unity. This is my first time using Unity, and this is what the game looks like at the moment. And it's 2.5D, so if you just move it, you can see everything kind of parallaxed. You do supers. There's going to be in-app purchasing. You can buy coins and get different armors. So I'll give you an example. You can switch to like a gun. Stuff quickly. If anyone has any marketing advice for me, because that's my source star, please get in touch with me. Goblin Smasher game at gmail.com.